Oh. Oh.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the.
Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Eat.
I'm Danny.
And I'm Teresa.
We out here at Akers Mill Road to try some A1 barbecue.
Yes.
We at, what's this? Heirloom Market. They've been winning awards for like must try, tasty foods since like 2011. So, you know, we got to come and try it.
If you do decide to come here, the parking lot's a little bit tight, so try to come on a not so busy day.
It's probably always busy. Hey, at least you know it's packed in here. That means it's banging. So let's go get some of this banging barbecue. You feel me? Let's go, guys. And we here. The food is here, guys. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. Let them know what we got here, Teresa.
Okay, so I ordered the 1/4 rack of ribs.
I mean, it's a staple. If you go to a barbecue spot, you gotta try the ribs. So that's a staple.
Eat it first? Or we're talking about all of them?
Let's tell them what we got here. We got. She recommended that chili, so we gotta try it.
It's like the Texas brisket.
Texas brisket chili or something like that, and then this. Oh man. Oh man. You see it. It's beautiful. It's the what's it called the rib sandwich, where you got your rib here, kimchi. I love kimchi, especially fresh, amazing kimchi in there. It has a tempura sweet potato on top of all of that to bring it all together. Nice little sweetness, crispy, and then it even comes with little pickled cucumbers, more little kimchi. Like that splash of Korean flavor in there, you know. I love Korean food, so let's hope all that bring it through. But we get to that last.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Ready?
One thing I'm confused about, there's so many different sauces.
You just gotta smell them.
Settler and
This one smells good.
yeah, we.
Actually,
I go with the Settler.
Yeah, do that.
All right, so break me off one, Teresa. Beep. Dang it, she got the larger one. Her wish should come true. Ooh, look at that Settler. Brisket, cheers. Oh.
Maybe fall off the bone kind of thing.
Yo, this is so. I'll talk about that first. I'll get to that. Let me talk about that. It's so tangy. I don't know what's in there, but tangy barbecue sauce is my favorite. Like mustard-based barbecue sauces and stuff like that. I take it all day. It's got like tang to it, so I love it. The brisket itself, like you said, falls off the bone, nice and smoky. Just. All right, and we come to this beauty. I told you about it earlier. It's like ribs with like that Korean fusion to it, with the kimchi and the pickled veggies and the tempura sweet potato. That's a little different from me, so I'm excited about that.
Oh, ready?
Hold on, I want a little more tang on there though. You know, get a little tang.
Wait, no, I want to eat that.
You're right.
Yeah, okay.
I eat this side without first. Cheers.
Ding.
Oh.
Welcome back to the
Yo, the kimchi in there and like the crunch of the pickled cucumbers works amazingly with the ribs. Ah, boy.
Sweet potato help balance it out a lot too. It's like a good mix of.
It's like a little starchiness in there.
Yeah. Wow.
Hold on. Let me gather myself. Okay, but like the rib is really good. I do think you need a little sauce to give it like a little flavor, because the rib is not too flavorful by itself, but like the kimchi, like that Korean touch to it, like bumps it up for me, makes it like amazing. And like especially these, man, the pickled cucumbers in there gives it a little tang, like I was saying earlier. I like that. With a little spice from the kimchi. It's a plus for me. It's a go for me. You see, she's still eating it. We still gotta try this right here.
Right, okay.
Let's try it. Mix that up there. This is that that chili.
They look nasty.
It looks amazing. Here you go. It's got that chili in there that she recommended. The Texas, what's it called?
Texas brisket chili, something like that. It's on a special board.
It'll pop up the name somewhere.
Yeah.
Let's get that. Oh, those are big pieces of meat in there. What? What? This is your chili, by the way.
Wow. Whoa. I mean, that is so good.
Musket. Easily musket. Easily the best thing I had so far. That was good, but wow, I didn't think the chili would be the winner. Like, oh, and we got some mac.
Alright.
Hold on, I can't just skip over this chili though. I gotta let you know. Must get if you come. Then we got the mac here. Got some slaw here. Let me get you on that slaw. Ooh, I'm not a huge fan of slaw. The best slaw I had was like this apple coleslaw I had before. So let's see, just take that spot. Oh, I can rock with that.
Not as milky as normal coleslaw, which is good.
Yeah, there we go. That probably like banging on top of like a pulled pork sandwich.
You can't eat it by itself like that. You gotta eat it with the meat.
Like, it probably like on top of a pulled pork sandwich, level it up. And you can't have barbecue without like some mac. We all know that. We all know that. It looks like it's made with pimento cheese and stuff, but
And it's not the usual like elbow mac and cheese that we're
yeah,
used to.
it's those shells.
Yeah.
So you can get every piece of that mac.
So cheesy.
Yeah, it's way different. It's pretty good. It's not the best mac I had, you know,
It's pretty good,
but
though.
it's some good mac.
Yeah.
It's some solid mac for your barbecue.
A little bit of spice in there.
Yeah,
a little bit.
I think it's made with like some pimento cheese
Yeah.
to give it a little bit of kick to it, which is not bad, but
So,
my winner.
overall, I recommend this place.
I'm gonna finish this, and we hit you at the outro, all right? All right. Well, there you have it. That was Heirloom. I said it right that time. Heirloom Market with that amazing barbecue. Highly recommend it. You gotta come. The whole atmosphere was great. The workers were really nice. Recommended me something right when I asked, and the food came out quick. Can't ask more than that. Food came out quick. She stuffed.
I
Like,
feel my itis.
outside where you ate at, the standing tables actually worked pretty well. So if people don't like stay a little too long, you get your quick eats, still have nice conversations, and then you out of there. I guess that's how it keeps it flowing in here with the tight parking lot. So I guess that's how it keeps it flowing. But overall, I really enjoyed this place. It was really nice.
Definitely enjoy this place. Way different from, you know, your regular restaurants and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You can sit down and stuff.
So if you haven't heard of this place, you heard of it now. So make sure you get out here and check them out. But you know, you ain't gotta take my word for it.
Just eat.
Yeah.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight